Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures, and in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we will be taking an adventure checking out the Field Museum in Chicago, Illinois. That is right, in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we will be checking out the Field Museum and see what this museum has to offer. So here we are inside of the museum. Here is the first thing that you will see once you go inside the Field Museum. We are greeted by this T-Rex dinosaur. And once you pay an admission, here you can explore all the things that you want to explore. The Field Museum is a natural history museum, one of the famous natural history museums in the country. Pretty interesting to see these dinosaurs up close. And here you can see some displays here. This is a natural history museum that focuses on conservation of our natural environment. Let's go ahead and take a nature walk, checking out different types of displays in regards to animals. The Field Museum was opened in 1893, so in the late 1890s. It's more than 130 years old, and like I said, this is one of the more famous museums in the country, so one of the top museums that you should check out if you have an opportunity to visit Chicago. Here we are passing by several dioramas filled with wild animals in their natural environment. So after roaming around, this is something that I find pretty cool with this backdrop. Here you can see and check out lions. Pretty cool displays. And yeah, so if you take a look up close and personal, you can feel like it is real. So we are back outside in the center of the museum. Here we can check out some elephants. And we're about to check out this special exhibit, the Unseen Oceans. The Unseen Oceans here at the Field Museum. So we are checking out the Unseen Oceans, which is a special ticketed exhibit. Here it feels like you're in an aquarium. Here you can check out lots of different kind of species. This is a great place to bring your kids to learn more about our underwater oceans. Here you can get a photo op of the submarine. Meet a Field Museum scientist. Here we have displays that are also interactive. And you have this video with this octopus. You have more informational displays, and you have this cool infographics, and this kind of like a video game welcome aboard. You can navigate a submarine, pretty interesting. And yeah, so this is a pretty cool special ticketed exhibit that is here at the Field Museum. So the Field Museum has multiple levels, and we are about to check out this exhibit, Restoring Earth. So as you can see, the theme of this natural history museum, the Field Museum, is all about conservation. Here you get to walk through multiple displays, learn why conservation is important. As you navigate through the conservation, you get to walk into this exhibit, which talks about more on science. And you have this beautiful built house, which we're about to take a closer look and check out what this built structure is about. And this looks like a life-size structure here. And yeah, so this is super amazing way to experience this in person. And yeah. So that is the meeting house that can be found in New Zealand. Here we find ourselves in Tahiti. And it looks so real once you're navigating through these galleries. You have these replicas of these storefronts that can be seen in Tahiti. Feels like you are in Tahiti with everything that is related to Tahiti. Doesn't feel like you're in Chicago. And yeah, so once you navigate out of the Tahiti exhibit, you have more stuff here. Here it talks about New Ireland. Never knew that there was a New Ireland. And yeah. So there are multiple galleries on the second floor, and we're about to check out the China gallery. So here's the Hall of China gallery. Let's go ahead and navigate ourselves through. Here's the map of the world, and here in this gallery, it all talks about the history of China and how it evolves through multiple dynasties. Here's the geology of China, and yeah. So that's about it from the Field Museum in Chicago, Illinois. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this museum. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures. And I will definitely see you on the next one.